7:15, and that's the town of Ranchita. It's beautiful this morning. I saw the sunrise, and get back out on the trail. And over here is where I stayed last night on this little saddle. I had a great sunset, and then this morning we had a beautiful sunrise. So the trail ahead. I also forgot to mention that today I'm going to pass the 100-mile mark. Granted, for me it's not 100 miles, but it'll be cool to see. I don't have my little tripod thing, so sorry the video is shaky. Wow, this view is spectacular. So all that sort of brown stuff I think is where I'm headed. But down, the trail goes down a long way. I don't know, you can't really see it. And then somewhere down there is creek and stream. So this would be cool. Kind of looks like sand dunes down there that eventually got covered over. That's cool. Good morning, Blue Jay. Any big plans for the day? Just flying around? Getting into trouble? Yeah, you Blue Jays can be a little bit naughty. Oh look, an entire hummingbird meadow. All of this. All purple. Loving it. So here it is, mile 100. Granted, for me it's not 100 because I still have a little bit I have to go back and do eventually. But yay, mile 100, woohoo! Okay, I don't know which one's officially the 100 because there's another 100, maybe like, I don't know, 25, 30 yards past the other one. So somewhere in here, it's mile 100. A beautiful little area here and a nice reprieve from all that arid, dry stuff. This is gorgeous. Okay, so I came down to this beautiful meadow. Gonna go get water. So I just had breakfast over there in the trees where the watering hole is. And now back on trail. I think it's like 10 o'clock. Do another 3.6. I already did 4.6 this morning before 9 o'clock, so that was good. That was what I wanted. And now I'm gonna do another 3.6, hopefully before noon, to the next watering spot. There's several spots along here for water, but there's a real pretty one on Gut Hook with trees and stuff, and I'm gonna kick it there for a little while. And I've got some blisters on my knee. My left knee's starting to hurt. So just gonna lay there for a little while, see how I feel. Maybe do a few more miles today or just chill. And no rush. I can get to Warner Springs either tonight or I can get there tomorrow morning. So I'm just enjoying the day. It's pretty over here. It's like hinting on the dry, arid, but still like little moments of trees. Lots of pretty flowers. It's a tiny dinosaur. I don't know if you could see it there. Oh, where is it? Can't see the screen in this light. I don't know. Tiny dinosaur. He's just chilling. there's this big dry meadow. I just walked all along. Very cool. I came to this little stream. I think it's called San Ysidro Creek. And here it's kind of small, but down lower there's some larger pools. I soaked my knee, my feet. I've been taking a siesta. It's 3 o'clock, and I'm going to start the walk to Warner Springs. But they're still alive. Sorry it's shaky. It's kind of windy. So I just totally hiked up a little extra hill to see this. And it totally does look like an eagle. This is Eagle's Rock. I'll go around and get a different view. Okay, so that's Eagle Rock. There goes my umbrella. Yeah. I guess it was worth walking up here. It's pretty cool. And there's an amazing view. I gotta go across more of these big, long, dry meadows. And I see a road over there. But I see the trail going over there. So, trying to save what I got left in the tank to get there. Gonna make Warner Springs tonight. It's gonna be my longest day ever. Well, there was one that was longer in Catalina. Up here. Oh, there goes my umbrella. Hello. This one's really green. There has to be some water somewhere. And there's all those green trees in a line. So I wonder if there's water down there. That's beautiful. And there's a turkey vulture. No, not gonna get me. I'm just over 1.5 miles from town. I'm gonna make it. Freaking beautiful after being in that arid desert. It was unrelenting. 2 days of just arduous, hot trekking. And I got rewarded at the very last bit with this beautiful area. And the desert's pretty too, in its own way, but it's a bit brutal. Squirrel. Okay, I've decided I am definitely a forest person. This is amazing. And I caught it at the perfect time of day. Oh my gosh. It's a little tiny waterfall. Over there somewhere. Nice. They're by the gate. Right there. Fun, fun. Run, run. The first signs of civilization. I'm almost there. Yay. Town. So this is the area where the hikers go, and you set up your tent anywhere here in the field. People just hang out. It's really nice. Big tree. And then there's bathrooms in the building over there. And it's part of a school. There's a cow way in the distance. I think it's on the baseball field. So that is the bucket shower and laundry area. And then there is a field over here. And there's some cows. And then there's like a tent to sit. There's an outfitter. This trailer over here, like an Airstream. And I got some new rain gear there. And a new puppy. Really, really nice lady. A lot of good stuff. The stuff you see on the internet that you can't really try on in a store. So it was nice to be able to see those because I don't like buying stuff like that off the internet without trying it. And then there's the camping area. So I'm getting a bath for my blisters. This way. It's a tiny little Okay, so I got lunch. I got a big, huge salad, and of course, a glass of wine. I swear to God, I am roughing it. This is absolutely trail life.